Welcome to KBC 21, giving out breaking news. There has been rumors going around that the CDC is currently investigating a potential virus outbreak in the Arctic, which some residents are worried about what could happen. We talked to a resident today to see what he thinks about what is going on.
I'm actually worried that something terrible might happen, in my opinion. With something like this, you never really want to hear this coming out from anyone's mouth.
The CDC has not responded on these rumors, but we will give you further updates when it becomes available. KBC 21, breaking news. Arctic Biosystems, which was holding the unknown virus, has exploded. Residents around the area are freaking out about this headline.
I feel like the virus is gone now if the place blew up, however that wouldn't make any sense.
Civil authorities has issued a contagious disease warning for all of Vermont effective until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A virus known as Narvik that came from Arctic Biosystems is slowly spreading across Vermont into other surrounding areas. Narvik has a variety of symptoms such as dark black eyes, sweating, vomiting black sludge, and black blood. If you see anyone with these symptoms, run away immediately, as these creatures are vectors. These creatures can infect other people by biting into them. Once they are bitten, the person who was infected will first feel the symptoms, then starts to lose their mind. After that, they will roam around finding anyone else to infect. They have a unique type of vision which detects to see if any other people nearby are also infected with this virus. They will most likely be in a group and will hunt. They have high agility and strength where they are able to catch their target quickly and efficiently. National Guard are expected to be in Vermont in the next 2 hours. All broadcasting in the Vermont area is ceased until further notice. Please stay tuned to this channel for more updates on this alert.
Little Caesars, voted best value in America, offers you 5 delicious
Civil authorities has issued an evacuation immediate for all of New Hampshire, all of New York, and all of Massachusetts until 5:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Residents of New Hampshire, New York, and Massachusetts states are urged to evacuate to low areas. A virus known as Narvik has taken over Vermont and is expected to move towards other states in the next upcoming days. If you see any person with dark black eyes or black blood, you need to run away immediately. These people are known as vectors, which have high agility and strength. They can detect who was infected and who was not. They are likely to catch up to you. Do not wait to evacuate. Evacuate immediately. One-way evacuation routes are available. Grab pets, family members, and a radio. Do not go back to any of the states named until further notice. Repeating, an evacuation immediate is, in effect, for all of New Hampshire, all of New York, and all of Massachusetts until 5:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Looking for someone.
Kate Beckinsale.
Please stand by. The President or his representative will speak shortly. Good evening. My name is Rocky Hitaklet. I am the Director of the CDC. The President has authorized me to speak with you all today. Today, I come with unfortunate news. The virus known as Narvik has spread to other states. Now, it is confirmed that Narvik will continue to spread throughout the United States until everyone is infected. The only way to survive this is taking shelter underground. The Narvik infectives will not be able to see you if you are underground. Grab as much food, water, and supplies as possible. This outbreak can last for days, weeks, or years. Narvik is expected to infect other states in a few days. Here. Fantastic. Narvik did its job. I know exactly you may be shocked right now, but I caused this. I darn well love doing it. It's not my fault I wanted to destroy humanity. I want people to root with me, but not against me. Now you must suffer the consequences. The point of making Narvik was to show what I can do. Of course, I caused a massive virus outbreak by my own free will. And that is because I released all of the vectors and blew up Arctic Biosystems. It was supposed to be a distraction from my own plan. Now, as I go ahead and move forward with my plan, Narvik will live with a long, prosperous life. Nobody can stop me.